Do you want to know how you can log into your Olympic Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Olympic Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar to search for Olympic Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this site, which is the official login portal of Olympic Payroll. Now, what you need to do is write down your username or your email address in the first box. After you write down your username or email address, go ahead and click on the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, click on this eye icon and check your password. Then go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Olympic Payroll account. You can also click on remember my username and you will not have to write down your username the next time you want to log in. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset your password, click on this link, write down your registered email address over here and then click submit. This way you can see that a mail has appeared on your email. Go ahead and click on the reset link and you can reset your account or your password and log into your Olympic Payroll account once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.